Okay guys, you should try this. It's perfect. I heard some people speaking about biscuits with marshmallow inside and covered in chocolate. You should try to put them in the microwave. So I got the biscuits. So I want to try to put in my microwave because I'm curious and I want to see what happens, and I was thinking that I want to share that with you guys in case it's my last short. Let's put one in the microwave. Biscuit in. What the fuck? Good to know, use a plate. Why why is this good? Why is this working?